Debbie's Mindless Happy Place. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing an Easter candy bar and I hope you enjoyed the video. I think it turned out really cute. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. And leave me a comment down below so that I can get to know you. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So the last time I did a craft with crates, I used these, and they had these little slats in them. But this time at the Dollar Tree, I found these crates, which didn't have the slats in the sides, and they were slightly bigger. So I picked up those instead of getting the smaller ones with the slats. And I picked up 12 of them because that's what we're going to use to make our Easter candy bar. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make a base, kind of a riser for our back row. And we're going to take our hot glue and we're just going to hot glue on each of the sides so that we can put 4 of the crates together. And that's going to be the base of our Easter candy bar. So we just want to make sure that they're all straight so that they're all even, and glue the sides of all those together. And once you've done that, then we can turn them over. And then on top of those, we're going to do a row of crates going the opposite direction so that you can see inside of them. And we're going to glue the bottoms and then we're going to glue the sides together. And then the front row, we're going to glue the backs and the sides, that there'll be like 2 levels of your candy bar. So we will put hot glue on the backs of them, and then we will put hot glue on the side also, so that we can make sure that it's all stuck together. And I did it this way so that I only have to paint the areas that is visible. I am going to go ahead and paint inside, even though you won't be able to see the bottoms of the crates once you put the candy in the candy bar. But this is what it looked like. It just has 2 rows and you just glue it all together. So that is what it looks like. So once we've done that, we're going to take our paint and we're going to paint. I picked out this purple because it matches my other craft that I did with the crates, and I am just going to paint the crates, and I'm again going to paint the areas that's going to be visible, so I won't paint the bottoms or the back of the crates. I'll just paint the front and the sides, and I am going to paint in the crates, so in case I use it for something different later on, it will be all painted. And this is what it looks like once I had 1 coat of paint on. I did do 2 coats of paint. So it kind of was hard on your brushes. And so it just took a little bit of doing. And then I took this Easter grass that I got at the Dollar Tree. And so it's just $3 and I'm not even going to use very much of it. But I'm going to put it inside of my little crates, just so that the candy will have something to sit on. And so once you filled it all up, then it will look like this, and it will be just about ready for all your candy. And there's all the candy. I got the candy also at the Dollar Tree, so I got 8 different kinds of candy to put inside. So it cost me $9 for the candy to go inside. So it cost me $12 for the crates and $9 for the candy. So that's $21 that it cost me to do this. And I didn't really count the grass because I still have lots of grass and I used hardly any of the Easter grass. So I didn't really count that in my cost. So $21 for the candy and the crates and the container. So, and that's how it looks once you get it all done and you have all your candy in it. And this is what it looks like when I got it where I want for it to be set up. And I put these 3 little stuffed animals in it that I got at the Dollar Tree, and so they were $1 a piece, and so that makes the crate $24. And then I put these 2 little Easter trees on either side, and I got those at Target for $5 a piece. So if you count those in your cost, then the whole project cost me $34, and I think it turned out really cute. I just love how it looks, and it just looks so Eastery.